Real estate agents spend hours every week doing this manually. A new lead fills out a form, you get the email, you copy the info into a spreadsheet, you send a welcome email, you create a folder, you remind yourself to follow up every single lead manually. And if you're busy, something gets missed. So I built a system that handles all of that automatically. From the moment a lead submits the form, everything happens in under 30 seconds. Let's test it. I'm submitting a lead right now. Instantly, Make.com catches the form data through a webhook. No delay, no copying, no touching anything. A brand new client folder is created automatically in Google Drive, named after the client. The lead is added into a Notion CRM database, and the system actually classifies them as hot or cold based on their answers, automatically. The agent sees a live dashboard, every lead, their status, clean, organized, updated in real time. Meanwhile, the client receives a professional welcome email within seconds, and right after that, a second email with a buyer roadmap PDF. No manual sending, no forgetting. And the agent gets an instant notification with the full lead details and whether they're hot or cold. Everything you need to set this up is included. The Make.com blueprint, the Notion template, Elementor templates, the form, installation guides, and 3 step-by-step videos. Even a non-technical agent can have this running in an afternoon. If you're a real estate agent, or you work with agents, and this would save you hours every week, the link is below.